Hi buddies, this is the process of artificial insemination. Puno na! That's Bagwis, our boar. We need to stimulate him for the milking. The average age that male boar can be used for breeding is between 7 to 9 months old. So you could breed your male boar or your male pigs about that months. On the female side of the brood or the sow, it can be bred between the ages of 8 to 10 months old, that the sow can be ready to be bred. And the normal breeding season is throughout the year. You could hear the turkeys from the background. We also have this in the farm. Also goats, chickens, the turkeys, and the cow.
Itchy Bagwis.
In this farm, we also breed native pigs, specifically bred for lechon. It's very delicious. You know, the Philippines, we love lechon so much. Come on, Bagwis. Okay, that's Bagwis, our male boar, a quality boar from John and John Farms. We need to stimulate Bagwis first for order to mount the sampahan or the mounting area to collect the semen for milking. We do this artificial insemination. Why? Because of we need we minimize the contamination between boars, especially the sickness of ASF, the African swine fever. So we could minimize the spread of the sickness by artificial insemination, and also the process of not injuring the sow, because as you can see, the Bagwis is around 380 kilograms and he's quite big and heavy. If we mount him on a regular sow on a natural method, we may injure the sow. That's why a process of artificial insemination is recommended. Again, we do this method to help stop spread the virus of ASF, which is African swine fever, and not to injure the sows. Come on, Bagwis, sampa na! We're doing it, milking Bagwis for his semen. There's a lot of semen collected. I think it's good for 2 to 3 sows.
Si Jessie nagpe-perform na naman ng kanyang pagsusumpit. Pinapagod na naman po si Bagwis. Dinudukutan na naman ng lakas.
Wala daw na si Mag-Wiz, naging bakla na ako.
Nakita nyo kung gaano kahaba.
That boar weighs 380 kilograms. Okay, big boy. Good job, boy. Cute, cutie bagwis. Puno na. This is the easy part, but tricky. The usual length of heat period of a sow is 3 days, and the best time to breed it is the first day or preferably the second day. So as you can see, there's no contact between the boar and the sow to minimize the injury and also to minimize the spread of the virus. So this is another sow from a neighboring farm being artificially inseminated by the semen of puppies. The approximate length of pregnancy is 4 months or maybe 118 days. And how soon to rebreed the sow after giving birth is around between 6 to 10 weeks. As long as your sow recovers, and you could breed them after 6 to 10 weeks. We can also do a natural breeding method as long as you know the that the pigs are not sick of ASF. So we're just gonna wait until we're just gonna wait for them until they are ready to be weaned and train them to eat pellets to see them grow fat, strong, and healthy. My minions, they're so cute. Heyo! Thanks for watching, buddies. See you soon.